Hi everyone, I'm Ruti and today's class is a full body flexibility yoga routine for all levels. So whenever you are ready, we will start. Come to the center of your mat and sit comfortably. Place your hands on your thighs, roll the shoulders back and lengthen your spine. Very gently close your eyes. Now take a deep inhale through the nose. Feel the breath rise from the belly to the chest. And slowly exhale, releasing any tension in the jaw, shoulders, and face. Again, inhale deeply and exhale fully. One last deep breath in and a slow, complete exhale. Now very gently, open your eyes. We will start with some warm-up. So extend your legs to the front. Flex the toes gently toward you. Extend your left leg forward, right foot comes in. Keep your knee relaxed. As you inhale, reach your both arms up, grow tall through the spine. Exhale and fold forward from the hips. You may rest your hands on the ankle or you can grab your feet. Let the spine lengthen first and then soften the upper body. Stay here for a few breaths. Feeling the stretch through the hamstrings, lower back, and your hips. Now slowly inhale, rise back up. Exhale and lower your arms. Widen the left leg slightly. Place your right hand behind you and your left hand in prayer. As you inhale, open your heart and gently bend back, opening the chest and lifting your heart. Feel the expansion across the chest, ribs, and the front of the body. Take one deep breath in here. Exhale and come down again. Now inhale, open your arms to T shape. Exhale and bend to your left side. You can keep your hand on your ankle or you can grab your foot from inside. Reach the left arm up and over. You can try to grab your toes, keeping your both sit bones grounded. Breathe into the sideways and ribs. With your every inhale, create some more space. And with every exhale, deepen the stretch. Inhale and rise up again. Exhale and place your left hand on the right knee, right hand behind you. Twist very gently. Breathe here. Inhale and lengthen the spine. Exhale and twist a little more. Keep your chest lifted. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale and release. Now very gently bend your left knee. Bring your right heel to your left hip and cross your left leg over the right. Stack your knees comfortably, sitting tall. As you inhale, open your arms. Exhale, your left hand goes behind you from the waist. Bring your right arm up, bend your elbow, and try to grab your left fingers with your right hand. Keep your spine tall, open your chest. Look to the front and hold it here. Feel the stretch through your back, your outer hips and your thighs. Inhale and open your arms again. Exhale and release. Now we will do the same on the other side. and bring your left foot close to the pelvis. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale and hinge forward into Janu Shirshasana. Let gravity do the work. Don't force your body. Breathe deeply into the back body. Soften a little more. Inhale, come up again. Exhale, hands down. Widen the right leg slightly. Now your left hand behind you, your right hand to prayer. Inhale, bend back, open your chest and breathe there. Open your heart. One more breath here. Exhale and come down. Now inhale, open your arms again. Exhale and bend to your right side. Right hand on your ankle or grab your foot from inside. Your left hand reaching to your right side. Don't collapse your chest. Keep it open and try to grab your foot. Let's breathe here, feeling the stretch along the whole side body. Inhale and rise up again. Exhale and twist gently to your left side. Keep your spine tall. Twist more. Inhale and again to center. Exhale, hands down. Now bend your right knee. Left heel near your right hip. Stack your knees. Bring your right heel closer to your left hip. Inhale, open your arms. Exhale, right hand behind you. Left arm up, bend your elbows and try to grab your fingers. Or you can just grab your t-shirt with your both hands. Try to open your chest and breathe here. Sit tall with your neck in line with your spine. Look slightly up or forward. Inhale, open your arms. Exhale and release. Very nice. Now slowly come onto all fours in tabletop position. With your wrist directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. As you inhale, lift your chest, gaze forward and add some gentle neck rotation. Exhale into cat pose, round the spine, chin to chest. Continue flowing with your breath, making some circles. Very slow, releasing all the stiffness. Move very slowly, mindfully. And now very gently, reverse the direction. Inhale and arch, exhale and round. Return to neutral tabletop again. Now inhale, walk your hands forward into puppy pose, exhale. Chest melts down, hips stay over the knees. Feel the stretch through the shoulders and upper spine. With your inhale, glide forward onto the belly, pressing into the palms. Lift into cobra pose, elbows soft and chest open. Exhale and flow back again into puppy pose. Again, inhale into cobra, move forward. Synchronize your breath with your movement. Exhale into puppy pose again. One more time. Inhale. Move like a wave into cobra. Exhale into puppy. And this last time, let's take a deep breath in here and exhale it out completely. Inhale, lift your chest, exhale and come back to tabletop. Now very gently extend your left leg straight back. Ground through your hands. Inhale, lift your right arm up. Exhale and thread the right arm under the left. Into thread the needle. You can extend your left arm if this is comfortable for you. Allow your shoulders and your upper back to release here. Stay for a breath. Left hand to position. Inhale, right arm up again. Exhale, hand down. Now extend the left leg out to the side. Press into the feet, rise up, raise your hands. Exhale and stretch through your left side into gate pose. Keep your chest open. Your left toes pointing forward. Take a breath here. And exhale. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, lower the hips down, keeping the leg extended and move into child's pose. Let the breath slow here. Now press back up again. As you inhale, lift your arms up and your hips up. Turn your left toes out and bend your knee. Open your arms at shoulder level. Exhale, bend your left knee more. Left hand come down. Stretch your right hand to your left side with the palm facing down. Lengthen from your fingertips to your knee. And take a deep breath here. And exhale it out. Inhale, come up again. Exhale, hands down and move to pigeon pose with your left leg to the front. Square the hips as much as comfortable. Extend your right leg back. And very gently fold here onto your forearms, keeping your spine long. Breathing deeply into the hips. Very long and slow breaths in. And long and slow exhales out. Now very gently inhale, come up. Exhale and move back into tabletop. We are going to repeat the same sequence on other side. So extend your right leg this time. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, thread it under your right. Extend your right hand too and breathe here. Keep your right leg extended. Very gently, bring your right hand to position. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale and hand come down. Extend your right leg to the side. Inhale, rise up. Exhale very gently, bend to your right side into gate pose. Keep your chest open. Look up or forward. Stay for a breath here. Inhale and rise up again. Exhale and move to child's pose. Extend your arms fully forward. Slow down your breath here. Inhale and rise up again. Bend your right knee, toes pointing out, open your arms. Exhale into extended side angle in kneeling variation. Stay for a few breaths here. Inhale and rise up. Exhale, hands come down and move to pigeon pose with your right leg forward. Extend your left leg fully. Drop down onto your forearms and stay here with few deep breaths. Keep your neck relaxed and spine long as much as possible. Inhale and lift up. Exhale and very gently step back into downward facing dog. Stretching your chest towards your knees. As you inhale, begin a spinal wave rolling forward, very gently landing into cobra pose. Exhale and press back, waving gently into downward facing dog. Inhale and again, very slow into cobra. Exhale and wave back into downward. Again, massage your spine. Inhale. Exhale and wave back. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale and back. Inhale and this last time, open your chest fully. Exhale and wave back into downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in here and exhale it out fully. Now with your next inhale, step your right foot forward into lizard pose. Drop your left knee down, relax your left toes and use your right hand to gently guide the knee outward, opening your hip. Look over your right shoulder and stay here for few breaths. Now very gently come back to center. As you inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, bend to your right side. You can keep your right hand either on your waist or to the side on the mat. Lengthen through the waist, through your side body and breathe here. Now inhale and come back again to center. Exhale, bring your hands down. Lift your left knee up and move to plank with your right knee into the chest. Now very gently rotate into fallen triangle with your right leg to your left side. Inhale, lift your left arm up and breathe here. Feel the twist plus the strength. One more breath in. Exhale, bring your hand down. As you inhale, move back into three-legged dog. Lift your right leg up. Exhale and step your right foot forward in between your hands. Straighten your both legs, grounding your left heel. As you inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale and fold forward, keeping your spine long to the level it is possible. And when you can't, gently round your spine, bring your hands down and maybe forward if possible. And try to touch your head to your shin on your knee. Let's hold it here for a few breaths. Lengthening your spine more and more. And your hamstrings too. Now inhale, bend your right knee, move into Ashwasancharan. Exhale and step back into plank. Hold your breath and lower down into Ashtanga, your knees, chest and chin on the mat. Inhale, lift up into Cobra. Open your chest. Exhale and move back into downward facing dog. Now with your next inhale, step your left foot forward. Drop your right knee down. And using your left hand, gently guide the knee outward, pushing your thigh outward. Open your hip, open your thigh, and look over your left shoulder. Take few breaths here. Breathing deeply, not forcing yourself. Now come back to center. Inhale and rise up. Exhale, bend to your left side. Keep your hand wherever it feels comfortable. Lengthen through your right side body. And breathe again. Inhale and come back to center. Exhale, hands down. Lift your right knee and move to plank with your left knee into chest. Cross your left leg to the right side. Inhale, open your right arm into fallen triangle. Feel the balance and the strength. And breathe here. Exhale and right hand down. Inhale and move back into three-legged dog. Exhale and step forward in between your hands. Straighten your both legs, grounding your right heel. Inhale, rise up. Exhale and fold forward into pyramid, keeping your spine long for as much time as possible, and then very gently round it. Lengthen through your arms, your spine as much as comfortable. Don't force it. And try to bring your chest to your thigh, plus your head to your shin. Keep your knees straight and breathe. Breathe very deeply. Inhale, move to Ashwasanchalan. Left leg bent. Exhale, and this time, walk to the front of your mat. Inhale, rise up slowly, arms up. Exhale, and very gently bend to your left side. Your left hand comes down onto your left leg. And breathe here. Don't collapse your chest, keep it open and look up or forward, whatever feels comfortable to your neck. Inhale and come, rise up again. Exhale, this time stretch to your right side. Feel the stretch along your left side body. Inhale and rise up again. Shift weight onto your right leg and gently lift the left leg up. Find the balance. Your toes pointing down. Breathe in. And as you exhale, step the left leg back into Ashwasanchalan. Your left hand, your left palm comes down inside your right foot. Your right arm lifts up. Look over your right thumb and hold here. Twist more. Take a breath in and exhale. Inhale, both hands down. And exhale, very gently move into Skandasana, bending your right knee and turning your left toes up. Hands in prayer inside your right thigh. Look over your left shoulder and breathe again. Breathe slowly and deeply. It's really okay if your right heel doesn't come down on the mat. You can keep your hands down for the support then. Very gently releasing. Inhale, move to Ashwasanchalan again. Exhale and step forward. Inhale and raise your arms again. This time bend your right knee, toes pointing down. Take one deep breath here. And exhale. One more breath in. Exhale and step your right foot back. Right palms come down. and your left arm up. Look over your left thumb and twist plus breathe. Inhale into Ashwasanchalan. Exhale, turn into Skandasana. It's okay if your left heel is not really grounded. You can keep your hands down for support. Look over your right shoulder, hands in prayer. And breathe deeply. Inhale into Ashwasanchalan. Exhale and this time return to downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in here. Exhale and gently kneel down. Relaxing yourself, sit back. Now bring your legs to the front, bend them, keeping them mat width apart, and your hands behind you for support. Take a deep breath in here. Lengthen through your spine. Exhale, twisting your knees to your right side, come into 90-90 position. Bring your forearms behind the right leg, your elbows down. Twist here and hold. Relaxing your legs plus your upper body. Slow down your breath. It signals your brain that you are relaxed. Your hands again come behind you, inhale, and come back to center. Exhale, drop to your left side and twist to your left side. Inhale and come back to center. Exhale and very gently relax and lie down on your back. Keep your knees bent and feet close to the hips. Your hands down beside your body with the palm facing down. As you inhale, lift into bridge pose. Tuck your chin to your chest. Exhale and lower down. We will repeat this. Inhale and lift up. Exhale and lower down. Again, inhale and lift up. Exhale and lower down. Now we will prepare for Chakrasana. You can choose any variation that works for you. Bend your elbows and place your palms beside the ears with the fingers pointing toward the shoulder. Make sure your feet are parallel. Take a deep breath in and begin to press firmly into feet and palms and lift the hips first, then the chest. Option 1 is to stay here. And if this feels comfortable to you, you can lift up more and rest the crown of the head lightly on the mat, keeping most of the weight in the hands and feet. And if this also feels comfortable to you, you can go to full Chakrasana. So you are going to press more strongly into palms, straighten the arms, and lift the head off the floor, coming into full wheel. You can even lift up your heels here for a deeper stretch. So this is how we are going to do it. You can do whatever variation works for you. So your heels grounded, toes pointing straight ahead. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Very gently come to whatever variation works for you. We are going to hold it here for 10 deep breaths. Lift your chest toward the wall behind you. Shoulder blades moving toward each other. Arms are active too. Elbows are pointing straight back and opening your heart. Let the neck stay relaxed. Do not grip it or strain. And very gently, lower your head down, your back down, and then release your hands. Now very gently, rotate your wrists, relaxing them in reverse direction. Shake them. Shake your fingers too. And now release. Now we are going to do some final stretches. So keep your knees bent and bring your right ankle over your left thigh. Lift your left leg up, interlacing your fingers. Grab your shin and stretch your left knee toward your chest. Stay here for few breaths. Completely relaxing and releasing all the tension from your lower body. And very gently release. Now your left ankle over your right thigh. Lift your right leg. Stretch it towards your chest and breathe. And very gently relax. Keep your knees bent and together. Open your arms to T shape for this final stretch. As you inhale, lift your feet off the mat. Exhale and hug your both knees in. Try to touch your head to your knees. Inhale and open your arms again. Exhale and twist to your left. Look over your right. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale and twist to your right. Look over your left. We will do this for 2 more rounds. Inhale to center. Exhale, hug your both knees. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to your left. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to your right. Inhale, center. Exhale, hug your knees. This last time. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to your left. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to your right. Relaxing your back completely. Inhale, center. Exhale and relax. And here comes the final pose and my favorite one, Shavasana. So extend your legs. Let your feet fall open. Open your arms by the sides with the palms facing up. And gently close your eyes. Allow the weight of your body to sink into the mat Soften your forehead. Relax your jaw and drop the shoulders away from the ears. Notice your breath. No need to change it. With every exhale, release any remaining effort from the body. Let the legs feel heavy. Soften your hips and let your spine settle. Stay here for a few quiet moments, relaxing each part of your body with your every breath. Feel that relaxation in your body and your mind. Now, very gently, bring your awareness back to your body. Start to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Turn your head side to side. Bring your legs together, your hands together. Interlace your fingers. Reach your arms overhead and give yourself a full body stretch. When it feels comfortable, bend your knees, turn to your right side, and very gently come to sit in a comfortable position. Keep your hands relaxed, your spine tall, and your eyes closed. Now start focusing on your breath again. Here we are going to do Anulom Vilom. Using your right thumb, close your right nostril. Inhale slowly through the left nostril. Close the left and exhale through the right. Inhale again through the right. Close it and exhale through the left. Let's continue this gentle rhythm. Very slow, very smooth, for a few rounds. Let your breath calm the mind and bring balance to the body. When you're ready, release the head. Take one natural breath in and exhale it out fully. Notice how you're feeling after this practice. Take one more deep breath in and exhale it out. Bring your hearts very gently into Namaskar and start rubbing your palms. Warm it up nicely. And give this energy to your eyes, cupping your eyes with your palms. Slowly open your eyes, looking into your palms. Bring your hands to heart center. Bow down and relax. That's it for today, guys. Just stay consistent and do this so for at least 3 to 4 times in a week, and you will see a major difference in your flexibility. Plus, stay hydrated. And if this video really helped you, you can give me a like, a share, and you can subscribe too. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.